Ako lang ng train. So now dito ako sa Dobigot. So I have to change line going to the red line. Kasi yung sinakyan ko is purple line from my friend's house. Now I have to change into red line from purple line. Ito na siya, Dobigot Dobigot interchange. Here we go. So medyo marami na, medyo medyo konti na ang tao kasi nga mag-10 na. So ang MRT is magko-close siya ng 11 PM. So medyo konti na lang yung tao kasi nga 9:30. Yan. Still pa rin, rush hour. So this is Singapore, guys. So clean, so nice. Lakad-lakad lang, feeling tourist. That's the north-south line. That's the red line. So I'm going down. So pwede rin actually dito sa may sa may hagdanan. But let's go on to, okay, maghagdan na lang tayo. Burn fats, not burn electricity. Yan na yung platform. Go. Jurong East to Marina South here. Dapat dito tayo. So dito. So nandito tayo. Pupunta tayo dito. So dapat dito tayo sa other side. So here. We are here. Going here. Somerset. Here we go. Napadaan ako dito sa may mall. So parang mapapabili ata ako ng damit. Oh, $20. But let's check if meron tayong magugustuhan. I suppose not to come and buy, but sale. So let's try and see. Tignan sila. $20. Try. Let's fit. Fit natin. Ito. Let's try. Oh wow. I don't have any. So I'm done with this shopping. So let's go walk around kung ano pa yung to Orchard Road. So let's go on to the Orchard Road and just walk around and see what we can do for tonight. So I bought it. This is shorts and top. Guys, it's raining. It's raining. Umulan. Maambon actually. Pero gusto kong kumain ng ice cream doon kay kay uncle yung nagtitinda ng ice cream. Kaso umuulan na. Later tonight, mamayang gabi. Mount Elizabeth. Umuulan na. Sila ang ganap. Umuulan. Umuulan na naman. So yun na nga, parang wala nang ganap kasi umuulan eh. Ayun guys, at least nakapag-unwind dito sa Singapore and spent a holiday with my sister. Kahit pa paano naibsan yung mga kalungkutan, ganyan. Sayang. Kasi kahapon, galing kami ng ano, ng tawag na to, ng MBS. Kaso, sobrang pagod. Nakakapagod. There you go. So, ngayon, is lakad-lakad lang. Supposed to go, well, galing ako sa ano ko, sa kaibigan ko. Minute ko yung kaibigan ko. Tapos, uwi na ko. Ay, meron pa si Uncle. Yung ice cream. Yeah, let's see. Let's buy ice cream to ano, kay Uncle. Uy. No, kumakain ng ice cream. So for sure, nandyan pa si ano, Uncle. Ayun. Paring tao. Ayun. Mga bata. No. So, eto na si Uncle, the famous ice cream, a Michelin ice cream ni Uncle. That's Uncle Cheng, traditional wafer ice cream. Ito siya. This is Uncle Cheng. So let's buy ice cream. Famous, sobrang sikat na Uncle. Dami pa rin bumibili. I got the very iconic ice cream from Uncle Cheng. This is durian wafer. Oh, yeah. Uncle Cheng ice cream. This is durian wafer. Oh my goodness. It's full. So na, time check, it's 10:35. So pauwi na ako, naglalakad, going home. So yun lamang for today's video. I'll see you. Happy New Year everyone.